Okay, so today we're down in Little Aston doing a kitchen fit. Come back and check it soon. And that's the kitchen fit complete. So this extension was built by BMJ Construction. Go and check them out. Kitchen here has gone in lovely. We've gone for quartz worktops with an undermount sink on the island. Larder units are housing the ovens. All appliances are integrated. We've also done a utility area. Which has been maximised to get as much storage in as possible. So we will be doing more videos on our YouTube page, so do subscribe. If you want to see any of our work, do head over to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. You can see all of our content there. But do subscribe, we've got more videos coming up from the workshop, a lot of podcasts and different things on how things are made. So do come back, subscribe. Thanks for watching.